Okay, I just heard this really loud thunder, and it is pouring out, by the way. Yeah, it was so loud and so close. It came like half a second after the actual lightning. Oh, there's my cat. Hey. Hello. How are you doing? Yeah, my cat's scared of thunder and lightning, which is understandable since he's a cat, but let's see if we can hear any very loud thunder again. But I mean, this is the hardest it's ever rained in New Hampshire. Well, besides Hurricane Sandy. And I wasn't here for the flood that happened like 2 weeks ago around the 4th of July. I was at the camp that I told you about, but I heard that there was a lot of rain and flooding there, so yeah, this is like in the top 3 biggest storms in New Hampshire ever. Well, throughout my existence. I don't know if there's been any bigger, but, well, probably, but, yeah. Basically, this is in the top 3 biggest storms of, like, 2005 through 2017, so, yeah. But I swear, that lightning bolt and that thunder was, like, just 500 meters away. It was so close.